nasa air fryer na ang first batch.
Nice.
Siopaw mo din ha.
Way at the beginning. There are shortcuts you can take to get places. Like you have to like literally do.
So man ang atong first batch guys, nasa baba kay duha man siya ka.
Up, down.
Duha ka.
Turn around.
Muna siya guys, pag humanog steam, butang na mo sa air fryer. Ay, kahat. Ah, gosh. Oo, brown pa siya. Oh. It makes the siopaw. Siopaw na in Philippines, tawag na mo siopaw. Malami siya guys, kasi di lang siya humo, crispy pod. Oh. Lami kayo ang iyang flavor, baboy. Pork. Grabe kainit guys. Oh. Ari na ang atong gwapang siopaw guys. Tag 15 lang. Pili na. Palit na mo pang merienda. Kasi mo adin panihapon na ni. Panihapon. Steam bun na ibutang pod sa air fryer. So that's why golden brown ang color sa atong steam bun. Pag human og steam, after steaming, put in the air fryer.
What?
Try nyo guys, lami siya.
What is it? What the
crunchy.
paper means?
It's just they put a paper in it so it won't stick to the other steam buns. Look at that. Oh. Ay, kagwapa.
And
Okay, siya,
this?
guys. Let's eat, guys. Oy, init. How was it, Matthias?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Good.
Very good? Good? Matthias likes it. Ay, uy.